What are affiliated companies? Affiliated companies are businesses that are related to each other through ownership, control, or significant influence, but are not fully owned by one another. In simple words, affiliated companies are separate companies that are connected through investment or partnership. Usually, one company owns a significant portion of another company's shares, but not enough to have complete control. This ownership typically ranges between 20% and 50% of voting shares. Because of this ownership, the investing company can influence important decisions, but does not fully manage daily operations. Affiliated companies are different from subsidiaries. A subsidiary is mostly or fully controlled by a parent company, while an affiliated company remains legally independent. For example, if Company A owns 30% of Company B may be considered an affiliated company of Company A. Affiliated companies often collaborate in business strategies, technology sharing, or market expansion. In accounting, investments in affiliated companies are usually recorded using the equity method. Under the equity method, the investor records its share of the affiliate's profits or losses. Affiliations can help businesses grow by sharing resources while maintaining separate identities. However, affiliated relationships may also create conflicts of interest if not properly managed. In simple terms, affiliated companies are independent businesses connected through partial ownership or influence. Easy way to remember. Affiliated companies means connected businesses without full ownership.